The makeover on this house right now is unbelievable. I mean, all the way around. We added brand new decks, new vinyl siding, a new roof, new windows, brand new chimney, stone on the chimney. I mean, we have people that walk up and down
Strangers.
the street. They're asking me, what happened to your house? It's so different. It's beautiful. Everything matches. Everything pops with the shingles and the siding. They just did a beautiful job.
They'd walk by, they'd see the work that was going on, and you know, so we have two people that are doing work with Couto because of us.
Yeah.
John B. Bryson, that's it, John Bryson.
Yeah.
How's it working with John Bryson?
Very personable guy. We had a lot of questions, obviously, because we were just starting out the project, and there's a lot of things we didn't know, and he filled in all the blanks. And he brought sample products down for us to look at when we asked him to.
Yeah.
And
yeah, and he put everything. I mean, basically, he helped us design the front of the house a little bit and the colors. He helped us with that too. Laurie at the office was exceptional. I mean, she would contact me. She was very, very good. When Laurie came down with Derek at one point.
We were checking to make sure everything was done to our satisfaction.
And even a couple other people that I spoke with in the office, they were wonderful. You know, it's always nice to see a face behind the person that you're talking to on the phone.
Yeah.
Josue, he was very good. He framed, you know, if we wanted to change something, Carlos would ask him, and they say, yep, we can do that. They were on top of it.
Enrique.
He did most of the siding, him and his crew. They were here a lot. The people that did the roof were amazing. They worked like 4 days straight.
They're dedicated.
Remember, they were here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We were very happy with them also. One other thing, the times that you came down, very professional. Talked with us just like you're doing now.
Definitely very professional and very friendly, yeah.
Taking aerial views with the drone shots.
Yeah.
Very good. Ty, you're the best.
Who takes the time to come down here and get a drone out and look at the roof and look at everything else so that the customer can actually see it? That was cool. I mean, I've never seen any contractor do that before.